All right, in the process of blacking out this truck, we've got black mirror covers for the top, glossy black, and black sequential turn signals for the mirror. So I'm going to show you how to do that today with just two tools. All you need is a panel screwdriver like that. Angle helps. And then you just need a 7mm. So we'll get started. All right, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna just press this mirror all the way up and in and expose this bottom corner. Put your panel driver in there and pop this mirror out, just like that. Looks good. Pay attention to the orientation of these two connectors. The white wire was on the inside. Same thing over here. We're just gonna pop that open, get our panel screwdriver underneath the back side, and pop this off. Just like that, same thing. Pay attention to your orientation of your wires, pull that off, we're good. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 7mm screws. Okay, you pull that off. And pull this over so you can see it. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in and show you guys these couple clips that are in the top. You can see 1, 2, and there's a third one on this side. We want to make sure we can pop those clips off. Those hold that cover on the top. So basically you can just get your finger in there, pull that cover forward where it releases, and there you go. There's all three. That cover's off. The rest of this cover should just pop right off. Okay, so we're just gonna wiggle it off like that. You can pop this cover off like so. Okay, now we have the light open. Here we go. I'm going to push this forward so you can see the back side. Got a little sensor right here. I don't have the lights that fit the bottom on this truck, but we'll just pop that piece off for now. And there is a connector for this light. Just pop up this gray piece right here. Boom, pop that little piece up like that, and then your connector can come out. Okay. Save that piece. You might need it later, post it online for sale. The back panel has this top piece, and this is just flat black. And so part of this job is to swap this out with these nice glossy pieces. So in order to do that, we unclipped these three from the inside of the truck, but now there's a third one, or fourth one, here on the bottom, and it's a two-way piece. So you have to kind of pry this open without breaking it. I know it's a little brittle, and then you can pop that off there. You can also go upwards a little bit and get that off of there that way. But I'm gonna get a little piece, we'll pry that off and then pull this out. All right, so this little piece right here, I got a little pick in here. This is the pick that I'm using. Very nice and clean. You can get up under there without breaking this panel. And you can now pull this piece straight forward. Has these couple clips in there that align it along with that piece. So now we've pulled it off. There's the old one. I'm gonna use this opportunity to clean this guy up with probably some mineral spirits, take these little adhesive off from the chrome piece that was on there before, and then we'll come back and put it all together. All right, we got it cleaned up. I used some paint thinner to get some of that adhesive off. It's a 2018 truck, so it's got a little bit of wear and tear, but in order to get our new piece on, basically do the thing in reverse. This piece was probably eBay, or I don't even know, but some kind of bargain piece, but it doesn't have the 2 tabs that the factory piece has for these 2 slots. So I'm not even gonna worry about that. I'm just gonna put the 1 tab in the center, pull it forward until it clips just like that. And then these other 3 tabs are gonna hold it closed on the top side. We will come back, get our light fixture, pop it in just like that. Press in your lever that keeps your connector tight. We'll pull this piece back out. And then line up those screw holes. And that piece is ready to put back in. Just like that. We're going to reinstall. We'll just let that hang for a minute. We're going to reinstall the little sensor piece on the bottom. All right, we got it all assembled back loosely. Now we're going to put our screws in one at a time. Make sure when you screw these in that your panels are flush on the outside. All right, I'm going to zoom in on these tabs and show you how important it is to get these pieces nice and tight. So if you can see that little white piece, there's a black piece of tab that needs to go underneath the back side of that white piece. Make sure you get that pulled in on the top and push that white piece all the way up in there on all 3 of these, and that'll keep this black top cover real tight and snug. Now all we have to do is put our mirrors back in, test it on the truck. Make sure you connect these back the way they were. All right, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the truck. I'm gonna turn the flasher on so you can see how this works. All right, check it out. So these are sequential, see that? When you turn the truck on, these are white. When you turn your blinkers on, they're yellow. All right, and I'll show you what they look like here. When you unlock the truck, boom. They flash white, they flash yellow. This is super bright. Maybe throw up a photo of what it looks like in the nighttime, but that's how easy it is. Took me 17 minutes to film the video and to put these in. New covers look super nice, look at that. Man, that's a big upgrade, if you ask me, from the ugly, dingy old ones to the shiny, glossy black ones, and then the OEM versus the black sequential. So there it is. Hopefully this video helped you. Just a few tools and a little bit of can do, and you'll be able to do it too.